It has been an emotional week for the family of 3-month-old baby Brandon. The infant was taken from his San Jose home on Monday, rescued the next morning, but the ordeal for the family is far from over. Today, the two people accused of kidnapping Brandon faced a judge for the second time in 2 days. Yesenia Ramirez and Jose Portillo didn't enter a plea. Their attorneys accused the DA of spending more time grandstanding than sharing evidence with the defense. NBC Bay Area's Damian Trujillo is live in San Jose for us this evening. Damian, it really sounds like the case is already getting contentious.
And it's supposed to say now, as you could say now. It really is right from the get-go. Right now, the lawyers for both of the defendants in this case are asking the judge, or they asked the judge in court today, to release their clients on $150,000 bail. But the judge declined that request for now. And so tonight, as both defendants are sitting in jail, one lawyer says he might ask the judge to stop the DA from talking about the case. Yesenia Ramirez and Jose Portillo were back in court today, their handcuffs removed for the proceeding. Just yesterday, DA Jeff Rosen spoke to the press immediately after the two were formally charged, like he does in most high-profile cases, saying this isn't like most kidnapping cases.
This one did not, and this is more unusual and more frightening.
In court today, Yesenia Ramirez's lawyer told the judge those comments were out of line and told us the same outside of court.
The place to litigate the facts of this case is in the courtroom, and Ms. Ramirez, Mr. Portillo, and anyone else, they're presumed innocent if and until they're proven guilty in court, not in a press conference, not on the campaign trail.
The DA did not respond to that accusation, and the judge admonished the attorney for bringing it up in court. But it's one of the reasons Cody Salfin says he's considering whether to ask for a gag order or a change of venue.
And I can't say at this point whether that's going to be part of our defense strategy or a request that we'll make, but it's definitely something that is on the radar and that I have not ruled out at this point.
This case has garnered so much community interest.
Legal analyst Stephen Clark says he can see cause for a potential gag order, and because the case is so bizarre, he says there's another possibility too.
It appears that there's a mental health component to this that needs to be explored by the defense. What was going on in the minds of the defendants? Why did they pick baby Brandon?
This afternoon, Salfin told NBC Bay Area that he will order a mental evaluation for Yesenia Ramirez. Neighbors tell me Ramirez had been acting strange over the last month, and we privately reviewed photos showing her walking around in a wig with a baby carrier, even though she has no small children of her own. Neighbors also say she recently packed the bags of her daughter and granddaughter, who moved away unexpectedly. Is she a danger to the public?
Absolutely not. We have a woman who has no criminal history.
That's one of many things the judge will consider when deciding whether to keep the suspects in jail or grant bail next month. Cody Salfin also told me, the attorney, that when he heard about the kidnapping, he too double-checked the locks on his front door. He said it hit home for him as well. But he also says that Yesenia Ramirez deserves a fair trial, a fair shake in this case, innocent until proven guilty. We're live outside the Hall of Justice. I'm Damian Trujillo, NBC Bay Area News.
Yeah, this definitely hit home for a lot of people. Damian, thanks so much.